Hey guys, welcome back to day 10 of self-quarantine around the house. Kids are bothering the hell out of me inside. Wife's getting annoyed with all the kids. So I decided to come out here and do some much needed car cleaning. I haven't cleaned these dang cars in probably over a month now, or maybe longer than a month. They're usually garage kept, so they stay pretty clean. And I wipe them off once in a while, but I decided recently to buy a foam cannon for my pressure cleaner, and I've got a bunch of old Meguiars soap that I need to use up, so I'm going to do some mixing of that soap that I saw online to see how that works and see if it works well in the foam cannon. You know, like most of you guys that are probably holed up in your house right now, you probably doing these types of cleanings. I saw on a lot of the forums or the groups online, everybody's cleaning the car, so I figured I'd join in and do some detailing on this car right now. So stay tuned. So this Meguiar's Gold Class soap, I've been using this thing for probably like 15 years now. I wash all my cars. I usually stock up on this stuff. I've got half of that bottle left. I've actually got 2 more bottles up there kind of sitting in the wings. That's just regular, soap that you use for cleaning. And I did recently pick up this on Amazon. I think it was only like probably $12 or $15 or something like that. I've been eyeing these foam cannons for a while, so I decided to pick one up recently. You could get these things, that they've got like expensive ones that are up to hundreds of dollars for these sets, but I just picked up this kind of cheap China made one just to see how well it does. One of the things I saw, it came with these tips for the pressure cleaner. I think I've got 2 or 3 sets of these tips now, but that seems like every time I buy something for the pressure cleaner, they come with extra tips, so I got a bunch of those. But the foam cannon itself is pretty small. It's kind of, it's that little guy right there. You attach it to that bottle. Should be pretty straightforward to use this stuff. I know a lot of people swear by it now to wash their cars with these foam cannons, so I figured I'd give it a shot, and for the price, it's worth it. What I'm going to do though, I read online on some mixing of these Gold Class soap. I think somebody was using like maybe a 1 in 1/28 mix. That sounds like a lot. That's like 1 ounce for every gallon of water to mix the soap. So I might be doing something less than that, maybe like a 1/32 mix. Sounds more like it, but it's worth a shot. I'm gonna put it in here probably with some warm water just to dissolve it, and then get it to see how well it foams up the car. I'm gonna start my mixing, put a funnel up in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the soap first, just kind of eyeballing it, and I'm not gonna measure this crap. I'm just gonna put in, kind of eyeball what I need. Seems like enough. There. Filled up that much of the bottle. Got my water heated. These little kettles with a little thing is best invention ever if you guys don't have one. But I heated it up. I'm just gonna fill this baby up. Attach the foam cannon. It comes with one of these little straws. You just gotta stick it right in there. Put it in there and tighten it up. So we'll go ahead and spray the car down. so this gun wasn't really that bad for $15. So it took some getting used to figure out the settings. So originally I had it when I was testing it, the plus all the way out, but I guess that's with the nozzle fully open. It didn't foam too well with that setting, so what I ended up doing was I had to close it all the way to the negative. So I turned it straight all the way to the negative, almost closed, to get it right. As far as the mixture goes, that mixture I had was okay. I put too much hot water. Next time I mix it, I'll put probably just maybe a quarter hot water and the rest cold water, because I think the hot water was causing it not to foam at the beginning either until I mixed it and let it cool down a little. So overall, pretty good foam gun for the money. Also at the front, you want that nozzle to be touching close, or else when you unscrew it open with those two little metal clips, it actually just sprays a straight line instead of diffusing it and creating a little wave of foam and bubbles and all that. So pretty good foam cannon daily tool day. So guys, thanks for watching all the way to the end, and hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of it, whether you're quarantined and need to wash your car or just looking for a new tool to wash your car with. So until next time, stay safe out there, quarantine safely, social distance.